Okay, guys. Now we will start with TradingView. www.tradingview.com. Okay, this is the site. You can directly use the browser, or you can also use, or you can download. Now it depends on what kind of laptop and what configurations you have. The app requires a higher configuration. So what you have to do is you can just go over here and say download TradingView. Download TradingView. So when you click on download TradingView, it gives you the option. You just click over here. Okay, and you have for Windows, for Mac, for Linux. So mine is Windows. I can just click on download and I can just install it. Okay, so when you install, okay, I have it already installed. This is how the app looks like. Okay, so I'll come back to the app, but I'll go to the browser first. So we have it here in the browser. So I have to create a new account. So I'm just gonna say login. Okay, and I can just say get started, and you sign up for free. It is completely for free. So first you have to set up the account in the browser itself. Okay, because the app, when you install the app, it doesn't log in directly into the app. You have to log in into the browser and then install the app. So it will take the login from the browser. So better go for the browser. So I'll just say sign up. So I've clicked on sign up. Okay. So I can sign up with anything. Okay. This is already the ID I am using. Okay. So I will just use some other ID if I have. Let's see. Any Google ID you can use. I would always recommend that you log in with Google. Okay. So I can just use any of these IDs. Okay. So yeah, let me say, okay. So I'm creating a new account. I just say continue. Done. So it's logged in. Okay. Now you can see it's giving me offers. Which one do you want? 9.95 or try free for 30 days. All the options that you have, okay, these are pro versions. You don't need to go for them. You can directly just go for the basic version by skipping this part. If you want to go for any of the pro ones, okay, then you will select and you will pay. But before paying, it's giving you a 30 days free trial. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this 30 days free trial. But before taking the 30 days free trial, I'll go to monthly and then I'll select the basic one. I am not going to pay 1 rupee as well because it's giving me a free 30 days trial. I'm going to click on the 30 days free trial. Okay. So it is asking me for all my details. Okay. So I'll just put in India, select state, it's Karnataka, and everything is done. Okay. So it is going to charge me 1528 rupees on what date? 11th October 2025. That is exactly after a month. Right? As of now, it won't charge me anything. But if I don't cancel the subscription, okay, if I don't cancel the subscription before 11th October, so I'm just gonna say next. It is asking me to add a card, or I will just go for Razorpay UPI. Okay, PAN number is not mandatory, I guess. It is mandatory. Okay, this is one issue that you guys have to put in here. Okay, so let me give my date of birth. It's asking for PAN number. I've just put my PAN number. Then I'm gonna say add. Okay, it is asking for my phone number. 29295555. WhatsApp me. So it is sending me a verification code on WhatsApp now. Why didn't I receive it? Okay, so you can take the free trial. Okay, it is going to ask you for your UPI ID. You can just add your UPI ID and it will give you the pro version 1 month free. I want first month. I want pro version for 2 days. I need it to set up everything. Once I have set up, I don't even need this. Getting it, everyone? Okay, so I can just go over here. Now there are three very important windows that you need to set up. Okay, the first window, let's say you have logged in and you are in the pro version. Meanwhile this happens, I'll just show you over here what after taking the free trial what you should do. You'll come back over here to the home page. You will click on products. After clicking on products, you will click on super charts. This is the first window that we are going to need, the charting window. We call it the charting window. Then if you are doing it in the browser, you're going to duplicate the window over here. After duplicating the window, you click over here. You click over here. Okay. You go to home. You go to home. After going to home, what you do is you click on products. you go to screeners, you'll be going to stocks again. So second window is set up, that is stocks screening. I'm going to duplicate it again. And the third window, products, where, yeah, you can see again screeners. Can you see heat map? And I will click on stocks. So I've set up three windows here: charting window, screening window, and heat map window. Three windows. You can set it up like this, and then you can create shortcuts like this. Wait, I'll show you. So trading window, heat map. Okay. Use Google Chrome. It will be very easy. You just go over here. You go to cache, save, and share. Okay. And you say create shortcut. And it is asking what do you want to name it. I want to name it heat map. Create. Okay. So shortcut is created. Ignore. I'll go to this one now. Screening. I'll click over here. Oh, sorry. Cache, save, create shortcut. I'm going to create stock screener. Create. I'm going to go to the charting window. I'm going to say more tools or cache save, create shortcut. I'll just name it. Instead of one particular stock, I'll name it as charting. Okay. And I will create. Now you can close this. You will be able to see here. So if you go, you can see heat map. You can see screening window. You can see the screening window and the charting window. I have all the three shortcuts here. So you can create the shortcuts and you can keep, so you can use them very conveniently. Okay. But this is if you're using the browser, which I will not be using. I will be using the app. After downloading, I had shown you download and you need to install the app. In app, it is very simple. What is the difficulty here is you have to come and click on every window separately and it will open in the browser. But once you close the browser, again you have to come and open from here. But how the app helps you is in the app, you can directly create from here itself. Okay, so it will automatically give you, okay, in the app, it will automatically give you charting window. So you just click on the plus, you select screeners, you select stocks. Okay, so the screener window is here. Next, you click on plus, you click on heat map, you click on stocks. So all three windows are here. Even if I close the app, let's say I just close the app, and again when I open the app, all three windows will open simultaneously. All three windows will open simultaneously. And whatever setting I have done now won't change. Won't change. Whatever settings I do here won't change at all. Clear? Everyone getting this? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, whatever the
Yes,
theme
yes.
you guys want to keep, whatever theme, it depends on you whether you want to keep a light theme, okay, or we want to keep a dark theme. I mostly prefer a light theme, okay, or you can go for dark theme as you want. The canvas color, like let's say sometimes you change the theme from here, guys, but the canvas color won't change. So again, you have to go to settings, you have to go to canvas, and you can change the color to white. Okay, this is my preferred setting, but there are a lot of people who say that, when you use, what do you say? When you use the white color, it has effects on the eyes, etc. So people prefer the black color as well. But I prefer white. Clean, neat, beautiful. Okay. And very easy to analyze. So I have the white window. So charting window, screening window, heat map. All three here itself. Clear? So how to set it in the browser, how to set it in the app. So now what are the tools that are required? What are the tools that are required? Okay, so let us learn the tools that are required. Now let me just unfavor this so that I can teach you all the entire settings here quickly. Okay. So first thing, as soon as I come to the window, I'll go to settings, watch here. The canvas will not be like this. Go to canvas. The canvas will have grid lines like this in the background. So I'm just gonna say grid lines, background solid white if you're using white theme, background solid and black if you are using the black theme. Grid lines, none, because I don't want anything else on the screen. Clean, neat, tidy. On the right hand side, you're going to have a watch list which looks like this, which looks like this. You're going to have a watch list. Okay. So assume this is your watch list. You'll be only having one. Okay. There's multiple. I have set them up. I'll show you how to set them up. Clean the watch list. Okay. Everything that is there in the watch list, delete everything. Everything, literally, you guys have to delete everything. Once you have deleted everything, now you can add as many stocks as you want only during the free trial window. Once the free trial is over, or if you have taken the paid version, no worries. Even after the free trial, you continue with the paid version, no worries. But after the free trial, you will not be able to add more than 30 stocks. But if you are in the free trial or you have taken the paid version, then you can add as many stocks as you want. I will be sending you a watch list. You guys can set up the watch list completely over here. Okay. You can just import watch list. So you will have all my stocks in watch list. We will call this list as the watch list. See here, this list you guys will have. I'll be sharing it with you all.
So
Okay.
you will send it to us, right?
Yes, I'll be sharing it with you all. So you can have this watch list. You will have it. Okay. Done. Okay. Next, here you can see this three dots. Okay, first I'll come from the top. Here, always keep the zoom setting to 80 or 90%, not more than that. Don't keep 100%. First thing, zoom settings, three dots over here, 80%. Next, watch list. So watch list I've explained, one watch list. Okay. The second list, what you have to do is click on this drop down. You go to open list. After going to open list, I'll show you how to set up this watch list. See, I have created multiple watch lists. You guys will not be able to create it if you are on the free version. But if you have taken the free trial, or if you take the paid version, if you are on the free trial or if you have taken the paid version, what will happen is you can create as many watch lists as you want. And even after the paid version is over, or even after the free trial is over, you will have this list as it is. As it is. If you want the list to show up here as a shortcut, you have to star it. See, if I star red, it will show the red list here. Okay. If I remove the star, it won't show. So what are my lists? I'll tell you. Red list, it comes by default. So I've starred it. I want the red list here. Next, I have created a watch list for indices. Indices is all the index. I'll explain what are index. Then I've created one stock to keep the track of long-term stocks, one for small cap stocks, and one my regular watch list. I'll be sharing the regular watch list. Rest, if you guys want to create, you all can create, or you can keep it just one watch list as a beginner. That is also okay. Okay. So as of now, what I want you all is watch list, red list, and one hot list. More than sufficient. Three lists. Watch list, red list, and hot list. Okay. Now let's go to the hot list. After going to the hot list, NSE India and India percentage change gainers, star market. Star market. Okay. So you will have, okay, you guys will have three. So let's just keep those three for here so that you guys understand. I'll remove all this. Yeah, this is the three lists I want you guys to have. If you want to create more, create and keep. Okay, create here as many lists as you want. Okay, you can create from here. Where is that option to create? You can click on the drop, create new. So you name it and keep, but don't star mark it. I want yours to have only three here: watch list, red list, and the P. Watch list, the stocks that you add. Red list, the stocks that we will shortlist. And P is percentage change gainers. I'll explain the use. You all already know to identify Marabuzos and Mafi Marabuzos. Right? Okay. So watch list, red list, and P. Okay. Now there's one more setting here. Just click on the settings. This three dots. What all should be selected? Last, change percentage, and ticker. Only three things should be selected over here. Ticker refers to the name. Last is the last traded price, that is CMP. Okay, and change percentage is today has the stock rallied or has the stock come down. So you can arrange this ascending to descending, descending to ascending, small to big, big to small. Okay, the stocks that fell the most today in my list, the stocks that rallied the most in my list. So we can filter it like this. So keep this setting. Okay, done. Okay, and adjust this in such a way, don't keep it too big. Don't keep it like this where you are not able to see the stock name also. Just keep it perfect evenly like this, where you should be able to see the stock name. I don't want it very big, I don't want it very small. Okay, so symbol, last, and change percentage. Only three things should be selected over here. So this is about the watch list. How to use it, we'll come to it in a while. Now tools, what are the tools I'm gonna need over here? Watch everyone, just click on this trend line tool. First tool, click on this small side drop over here, trend line, star mark. First thing you're gonna need is trend line itself. So we are going to star mark. See, the shortcuts are appearing over here. Trend line, then horizontal ray. That's it. Two here. Okay. Then we go over here in this price range. Click on the side drop. After clicking on the side drop, you are going to go for price range, date and price range. Two from here. Done. Okay. Now one, two, three. Third one, drop down, trend best fib extension. How to use this, I'll explain in the next classes. Add this. So 5 favorite tools, and you can just move it and keep it over here, because these are the most frequently used tools that we are going to lead. If the magnet is selected over here, please make sure that you unselect it. Okay, nothing else should be selected over here. This is the setup for the charting tool. Now I'll show you what the lines are used for. A trend line, see here, two dots represents that 2 points are required. Two dots here represent that 2 points are required to draw this. Point A, point B. Okay, some small setting you guys can do with it is here. When you set up your trading view, it will be 4 pixel, 5 pixel. I don't want such big thick lines. It looks very dirty. Make it 1 pixel. 1 pixel. That's all. Okay, color you can just make it black as of now. We will be changing it when we are drawing supports. We use green colors. When we are drawing resistance, we use red colors. So we'll be changing it. Same thing. Same thing with the horizontal ray. Just click over here and make sure that it is 1 pixel, and color can be black or green. Okay, done. And how do you draw horizontal ray? See, only 1 point needed to draw this. Click, done. You guys can move this wherever you want, like this. You guys can just delete this. Okay, this tools. Okay, now comes the next tool, price range tool. We actually use this tool to draw demand zones, which is a later strategy, but the setup I'll show you now only, so that you can replace this video and do the setting. Click on the price range. Okay, when you guys open, no, it won't show you like this. So let me set it to the default. Okay, so it would be showing like this. It looks something like this. So what I want you guys to do, just draw it first. Okay, draw it. Take this and just draw. It will come like this. Now click on this and you can see settings here. Settings. Go to settings. What I want you to do in the settings part, watch carefully everyone. Extend. Can you see the extend part? First, always select extend right. Okay, it will be extended like this. Okay. Second, select the line. You can select black line. Thickness, very less thickness. You can reduce the transparency a little bit. Don't keep it 100%. You can keep it 50% transparent. Okay. Tick mark the background button. Otherwise it will be transparent. Tick mark the background button. Select the green color over here. Okay. Extend right. Watch carefully. I've selected the color black, 50% thickness. Background selected. Green. Opacity only 10%. Adjust this to 10%, please. Okay. And then extend right. Okay. Extend right. Okay. It is saying stats. What stats do you want it to show? Do you want it to show the price range? No. Do you want to show the percentage change? No. Do you want to show change in pips? No. Or you can keep percentage change. Okay, let's keep percentage change. Okay. And the color black. So it will start showing you 1 second. Opacity full. So it will show you how much percentage it is. 6%. Okay. So you can keep this, or you can just make it a little, light colored like this. Light colored like this, or you can keep dark color, whatever color you guys want to keep. Okay. You can give it red color because we usually use this to measure the zone or the stop loss, or black color, whatever you want to give. Okay. Label background, unselect this. Okay. Now watch carefully. Template. Select template, select save as, select demand zone, and save it as demand zone. Yes. Now, one more thing. Go over here again. Select black color. Sorry, red color. Just change the red color. Go over here. Select save as. Select supply zone. SZ. Just type SZ. Okay, SZ. And again, save it as supply zone. Done. Okay, I'll delete it now. The next tool is the date and price range. So it will show you if the stock has rallied from here to here, how much it rallied, in how many days it rallied. Watch here. You guys need to set up this also. So first draw it, go to settings. After going to settings, okay, the outer lines, etc. it is showing, on the border it is showing. Okay, so I'll just keep this as black because it's a measurement tool. It will show you me how much it rallied. I'll make it very light. Okay, border also I'll keep it black. Okay, and I'll keep it very light. Background is for measurement, so you can keep any color. You can keep just blue, but keep it very light again. Opacity should be very less. Okay, 5%. Stats. In stats, watch carefully. I want it to show price range. I want it to show price range. I want it to show percentage change, and I want to show bars and range. So select this three. Okay. Label color, make it black. So see, it is showing that the stock, 1 second, from here to here rallied 192 rupees. That is 37.53% in 7 bars, or in 7 in 7 bars, or in 7
Days.
candles. Because Dalman, it is a day time frame, you are saying days. If I select
Correct.
monthly time frame now, it will be months. Understood, na?
Got it. Yeah.
One candle will be 1 month. So you can set this up. Okay, this tool I will show you all at the end how to set up this tool. For now, you all can ignore. So the charting window is now set. These are the tools that I'm gonna need. So watch list is set, charting window is set. Next, we'll go to screener, but before going to the screener, I'll go to the heat map because setting this heat map is very easy. See, when we are on the charting window, my watch list should be showing. But when I go to screening window, close the watch list just by clicking here. Watch list is gone. Here it is S&P 500. Just go over here and select all Indian companies. This will be only for observation purpose, and what we will be observing, I'll teach you all as and when required as we go forward. Now, the next part is setting up the screener. What is the next part, guys? Setting up the screener. So when you come to the screener would be looking something like this. Okay. Stock screener. It would be looking something like this. Okay, wait a minute. All stocks. Okay. Yeah. It will be looking like this. So we have to do certain customizations over here. Okay. First of all, again, in the screening window, close the watch list. So charting window, watch list. Screening window, only screening window, no watch list here. Heat map, setup, no watch list. So charting window, watch list set, heat map set. Now we are going to screening window. Very simple. What all I want you all to set in the screening window. Okay, we are going to remove all of this. So you start removing, remove everything. Remove, 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 keep removing. Okay, remove everything first of all. Just remove, just remove. remove, keep removing. Okay. What all you can remove it out. See, you can remove this. I don't think so. You can remove this. Okay, you can't remove this. Here, select India. Okay. Now, this will remain as it is. You can't touch this. Here, we'll delete this columns. Right click, remove, right click, remove, right click, remove, right click and remove, right click and remove, right click and remove, right click and remove, right click, gone. Remove everything. Just keep one or two price range here. You can just keep this. Okay. Now, if we have to add filters here first. So for example, let's say market Indian watch list is there. After that, I want to add a filter. Let's say exchange. So I'll just click on add filter. I'll type exchange. So I've selected the exchange over here. See, exchange is added. Let's say I want to add what filter can we add? Market cap. So I'll just type cap, market capitalization. So you can add like this. How to add the columns? You're gonna add the columns from here. Click. Okay, let's say I want uh change from open. Change. I'll show you which ones. I'll give you a list. Change from open. Okay, add it. 1 day. It should be 1 day. Add column. Okay. Let's say I want 1 month change or 1 week change. So you're just gonna type okay, change. Okay. Uh, 1 second. Percentage change, price change percentage. This is the one you're going to select, guys. Price change percentage. Select, say add, 1 day, add. Okay, price change percentage, 1 day added. Change from open added, price change percentage, 1 day added. Now again click on change. Where's that percentage change? Price change percentage. You're going to select 1 week, add. Okay, again go to add, same, change, price change percentage again, and you're going to select 1 month and you're going to say add. Okay, this three are added, 1 2 3. You can interchange it, huh? Yeah, like this, or you can bring this over here. Okay, so now I will show you settings, what you have to add here and which all columns you have to add over here. So without wasting time, I'll just go to the StockTech screener. Okay, don't save. Okay, so this is the screener. So I want to watch list. Okay, price, reset industry, and reset index, exchanges there. Okay, so this is how your screener should look like. So make sure you add watch list. Watch list was added. Add price, change percentage, volume, market capital, exchange, industry, symbol type, and index. Okay, so you guys know. Just type here whatever you see here. Type here and add that column. Okay, and same thing here in the same order. Okay, so symbol, after symbol there should be industry, after industry market capital, after that volume, price, change from open, change percentage 1 week, change percentage 1 month, then this is performance percentage 3 months. So when you type performance here, no, performance, select here 3 months. See, I've added 3 months and I have added 1 year. Perfect. Sorry, this should not be 1 year. This should be year to date. Apply year to date. So look at the settings in the replay mode and add the settings. Once you have added, now how many stocks is it showing, guys? How many stocks is it showing here? Quickly, everyone.
Remove the 7139.
7139. Watch. Now what I'll do with it. Okay, watch list is the watch list you guys have made. So ignore that. Let's go to price. I'll go to manual setup. Okay. Above or equal. I'll select greater than. Above, value. You should select value. Amount 10 rupees. Watch the number of stocks disappear. How many are left now?
6,300.
6,300. Next, I'll go to market capital. Let's say market capital. I'll select 300 and million and above. Let's say I want to keep it like this. 300 million and above. So small caps and above, not the penny stocks. How many remaining? 5,328. Next, I'll go to volume. Okay, I'll go to exchange. My exchange is NSE. So I'll select NSE. Only 2,356 remaining now. Now I'll go to volume. I'll say manual setup. 1 day above value. I'll keep 2 lakhs. Units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Volume should be more than 2 lakhs. So what does volume mean? I'll be explaining. How many companies remaining, guys? 849. Now I'll select symbol type, select common stocks only. Okay, and then there is industry. Okay, what is industry? I'll tell you. Not every one of you is going to use the industry part. Okay, not everyone is gonna use the industry part. Some people are okay with all the industries, but some people are not. Okay, like for example, when it comes to specifically me, I don't trade certain industry stocks. Anybody is a vegetarian here? Anybody is a vegetarian here?
Yes, sir. I am
Sanjeev,
myself, Nitin.
Nitin. Okay, Nitin ji. So you are a vegetarian. So you won't eat non-veg, right? But will you
Right.
be okay investing in a company which processes meat? No, right? So sentiment based. Okay. S- Like for example, I do not invest in alcoholic stocks or tobacco stocks. Okay. See, even if you are smoking,
Okay.
you are harming yourself. But if you are investing money in
Yes.
tobacco products, it's like you're spreading it. Okay. Some people don't invest money in
Yes.
gambling stocks. So it's up to you. Whatever is your sentiment. Okay. Most of the people in India
Ethics.
don't invest in meat industry. So you can first say select all. First you can say select all. Then as you go down, you can remove whichever you want to. Like for example, here there is beverage and alcoholic out. Okay. So let's keep going, keep going, keep going. Whichever you don't like, basically. Okay. Now I'll not show everything specifically. Okay. So you guys can observe carefully and then you guys can just go for it. Right. So where is the meat industry? Because majority of the people that I have seen, food, meat, fish. So you can unselect that. Okay. If anybody is against tobacco, you want to unselect that. You can unselect all this. So now your list is clean. So watch this list now. It's stocks about 10 rupees which have volume of more than 200. I don't keep volume of more than 200. I keep volume more than 300k, 3 lakhs. So it will reduce the number of stocks drastically from 833, it will come to 701. Market capital 300 million and above. Exchange NSE. 99 industries plus I've selected. Whichever industry I wanted to remove, I removed it. Okay. Rather than sitting and selecting all industries, what I did select all. Then whichever I didn't need, I went through the list and I unselected. By going through this list, you also understand that how many industries are there in the stock market. Okay. And then symbol type, whatever it is. This is one way to customize your list. One way to customize your list. There is another way. No, I don't want to do all this, man. Okay. So let's say reset. Don't say remove, it will go. Reset, 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 and reset. I'll directly go to index. What is index? Okay. Nifty 50 is the index of India's top 50 companies. Nifty Bank is the index of all the banking stocks. Nifty CNX 500 is financial companies. Nifty 500, what is Nifty 500? What is Nifty Pharma? All pharma stocks. What is Nifty Auto? All auto stocks. Nifty Metal? All metal stocks. Nifty FMCG? All FMC, good FMCG stocks. IT, the top IT companies. But what is Nifty 500? If Nifty 50 is the average of top 50 companies, Nifty 500 is the top 500 companies, correct? Yes?
Correct. Yes.
And Nifty refers to NSE. So top 500 companies on NSE. Finished. I'll just click here. I have 500 stocks. And these are by default good 500 stocks. Yes or no?
Yes.
So either you can do it this way or the first way I did it. Okay. So whichever you want to do. Or, my favorite, I don't concentrate on this big caps. My favorites are here. Nifty mid and small cap. Not the penny, not the large caps. I select most of the time, my selected list is this. The top 400 mid and small caps. Because high potential to rally. They are very good. They are not penny also, so that they might get pumped and dumped. So balanced list. So we are going to use this tool. Charting and watch list, screening and the heat map. You guys set it up today. Tomorrow I will teach you how to use it strategy specific. Clear? Try to go for the pro version first. Take the pro version and then you all can do the rest. Clear everyone?
I already bought
Yeah.
it. I mean, I
Clear.
didn't buy it. I'm using the app only on the laptop.
Okay.
Now, if I want to go and buy it, I should go to the website only and buy
No, you can go from here also.
from the app only.
Yeah, from the app only. Explore plans. If you get a free plan, you take for the free plan. If you have already used the free plan long back, then you will have to pay 1500 rupees once.
1 second.
But I
Explore.
think you have not used it, so you'll get it for free. Please set it up step by step as I have done it. This is a one-stop solution for everything. There are a lot of other tools also that I'm going to show you all here. Okay, here you all have everything that you need about the stock, and then you can add a news window also over here. Like if you want news flow, what's happening around, you can just add like one-stop solution, guys. You can select the in the news also, no, you can select providers, the region, global, okay, whichever you want. Asia, where's Asia? Asia, Middle East. Okay, I don't want news from Africa because that will not impact Indian market so much. Okay, now you can select the markets. Which markets? I just want for stock markets. So I want stocks and economy related news. Okay, corporate activity, whatever you want. You want IPO updates. Okay, SEC filings, etc. Ignore this. Then if you want anything about the crypto, I don't want, which I don't do it. Okay, economies, whatever you want, GDP, the prices, priority. Okay, flash news, important stories, top stories, sentiment, positive, negative. So you get everything in this app. You don't have to go anywhere else. Getting it clearly? Country, sorry here. Entire world. Why entire world? I want only for India. Finish. All Indian news you'll be getting. Anything that can impact India. Getting it? Markets, two markets. Which are the two markets? Yeah. I'll select stocks only. So all Indian stocks can news you'll be getting here. Corporate activity. What do you want in the corporate activity? I'll not be specific about it. Let all the news, Indian news flow in. Everything. Clear? You guys will set it up? And you can just save the screener. You can save Indian news. When you create the screener, no, don't forget to save this. And save it at StockTech 1.0. You can just save it as StockTech. After doing all the settings, just save this as StockTech. You know why? Because in future you guys will be capable of creating your own screeners. So you should remember which was our screener, because this settings will change. A lot of students are doing a lot more advanced things in the screeners than I do. So please follow that. Clear? Okay guys, thank you so much for patiently watching the video. Now I request everyone to go through step by step and set up everything as shown in the video, because we are going to need it from tomorrow to screen stocks and execute trades. Thank you so much. See you in the class tomorrow.